Ready to turn Notion into your ultimate language learning command center. First, let's create a new page in Notion. Think of this as your language learning hub. Give it a title, like Spanish Learning or My Language Journey. Now, let's build a vocabulary database. Click the / type table and select database inline. Name this database vocabulary. Add columns for essential information, word, translation, part of speech, and even a sentence column to see the word in context. 10 An image column for visual memory aids. Fill in a few example words to get started. Next, create another database. This time for grammar rules. Follow the same steps as before, naming it grammar rules. Include columns like rule, explanation, and example to clearly define each grammar point. Link this database to your vocabulary database by adding a relation property so you can connect specific words to the grammar rules they follow. Finally, create a page for practice exercises. It can be a simple text page where you write sentences, translate paragraphs, or even embed language learning resources from other websites. Regularly update your databases and practice exercises. Notion's flexibility lets you customize this system to fit your learning style. Track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and conquer that new language. #Notion Language #Language Learning Tools.